My name is Vanessa, and I have a suggestion for something creative you can do in whatever space you currently occupy. Let's get started. We're going to create a 3-part Tableau story. Tableau is French for living picture, and it's a frozen image or scene with actors who are stationary. Your Tableau may include costumes, makeup, props, scenery, and different types of lighting. We're going to create 3 tableaus that represent the beginning, middle, and end of your day during this quarantine. Along with the tableau, identify what emotion you're feeling in that specific moment. Here's an example of my 3-part Tableau story.
I don't know about you, but these days I am so tired. I'll wake up, have breakfast, take a shower, and I'm ready to crawl right back into bed. The moment when I attempt to get ready, true exhaustion attacks. I can pass out right then and there, fingering my lotion, products scattered on my bed, in my robe, my hair wrapped in my towel. Notice the sun trying to peek in and the serene mood of the room, representing the morning exhaustion that kicks in during this quarantine. During this quarantine, exercise is a struggle. Ooh, I am not into it. So I try and go outside, get some fresh air, and have a change of scenery. My props include exercise equipment, and notice that huge bottle of olive oil? Well, I don't have any weight, so that'll have to do. Exercise feels like juggling multiple things at once. Your form, equipment, endurance, breathing, it goes on and on that in an instant I feel regret. My facial expression screams, why am I doing this? Don't forget to add in your facial expressions to aid you in representing your emotion. Finally, my favorite time of day, when I can eat. Stocking up during these times makes me so giddy and excited. Ooh, the options. I can finally relax on my couch, get comfy with my snacks, and watch TV. As you can see, I emphasize all the snack options available. Several props enhance my satisfaction. Snacks, all the snacks. Observe the excitement on my face as I multitask raising the volume and eating a delicious chip.
I want to remind you how theater can help us become aware of our emotions and create art, especially during these trying times. Use your creativity as a guide to portray all these feelings and emotions you are experiencing. This will help you not only document your emotional process throughout the weeks, but most important, allow yourself to have fun. Go ahead and try it out. Stay safe and don't forget to wash your hands.